Understanding the phrase, hot cocoa. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we are going to delve into the meaning of a cozy and delightful phrase, hot cocoa. Whether you're a language learner or simply curious about English phrases, you're in the right place. So, grab a cup of your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's get started. Hot cocoa is a two-word phrase that we can break down into two parts, hot and cocoa. Hot. This is an adjective that describes temperature. When something is hot, it means it has a high temperature, and it might be steaming or warm to touch. Cocoa. This is a noun that refers to a drink made from cocoa powder, sugar, and milk or water. Cocoa powder comes from cacao beans, and it's the key ingredient that gives the drink its chocolatey flavor. Putting them together, hot cocoa refers to a warm, chocolate-flavored drink. Now, let's see how we can use hot cocoa in sentences. 1. On a cold winter day, there's nothing better than a cup of hot cocoa to warm you up. In this sentence, hot cocoa is used to describe a comforting drink during winter. 2. My grandmother makes the best hot cocoa with a pinch of cinnamon. Here, hot cocoa is used to talk about a special recipe or way of preparing the drink. 3. Do you prefer hot cocoa or coffee in the morning? In this question, hot cocoa is presented as an option or preference for a morning drink. Hot cocoa is a popular drink in many English-speaking countries, especially during the fall and winter seasons. It's associated with warmth, comfort, and festive occasions. People of all ages enjoy it, and it's often consumed around holidays, family gatherings, or after outdoor winter activities like ice skating or snowball fights. And there you have it, a warm and sweet exploration of the phrase, hot cocoa. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of what hot cocoa means and how it's used in sentences. Don't forget to practice using the phrase in your own sentences to reinforce what you've learned. Until next time, happy learning, and enjoy your hot cocoa.